Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get or use Expedia Price Guarantee. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. In order to use your Expedia Hotel Price Guarantee, you need to be a OneKey member. And if you've already booked as well, there's going to be no problem at all. Expedia is going to go ahead and cover you. So these are the simple steps that you'll need to take in order for you to go ahead and get price guarantee or price back if you found some cheaper alternative on other sites for the same exact booking, right? So as you can see, it says see if your booking qualifies. Not all booking qualifies. See below. So as you can see, these are the yeses and these are the no's on how it can qualify and how it can't. You can simply go ahead and read that on their site, and then all you need to do is just send them a screenshot and a URL of page, and they'll just issue the difference in one key cash that you can later use on to another booking. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.